This is our eco-village farm. We have rented a big plot of land besides the eco-village farm. We will provide our mothers from the IFA family one plot each. They will grow their own vegetables and do the farming. The girls can help once a week. This will not only save money on the increasing prices of the food, it will also be good to teach the girls some livelihood. We are also not using the usual tractors that are much used these days. We are doing the very traditional oxes ploughing. And that beside the plot of land is our eco village.